Welcome to Monimation. I'm Moni. Today I'm going to demonstrate how to create a sticky page. Log into your admin panel. New content. Enter title. And then click Insert a page break. And then click Option. Options. Choose Sports. And then Advanced. Click the box. Choose an earlier date. And then enter text. Click Images. Browse soccer. Open. Click Insert. Click on the image. Resize it. Too big. Okay. Still too big. Okay. Click Align Center. And then save. And then click the website icon. The post is here. However, you can see that this page doesn't appear at the top of the posts because this page bears an earlier date. If you want this post to appear before all others, set this page to sticky. How to do this? Okay, back to your admin panel. Click Content. Just right here. Select Spots. Click Edit. Click Options. Advanced. Choose a sticky. And then click Save. Refresh the browser. This post goes to the top no matter it bears an earlier date. Just stick here. Okay, that's all for now. In the next video, I will show you how to create a scheduled page and a draft. If you like this video, please subscribe, like, and comment to support our channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.